Hello everyone, my name is Rotas. In this video, I will show you how to use group middleware and what is it. In the previous video, you have already learned about middlewares and you know what is middleware and how many types of middleware. So group middleware is a part of middleware. It is similar to middleware, but group middleware, for example, you have 20 routes and you want to apply only 10 or only 5. So group middleware will can make by group. It's not for all routes. Sorry, it's not apply all route, just some of routes. Okay, so in this video you will learn how to make middleware, register it and apply middleware. Okay, so let's go together. Here's my project. Now I want to create 3 pages and I will example it with group graph. So I want to create one. Okay, you can see in resource use. I create user.let.php just this is user's page. Okay, I copy it and I want to create another is home.let.php. I pass it and say here is home page and I want to create one more u called no access dot let.php. In here I just put the message you cannot access this page. Okay, so now I create route for 3 view. For that 3 view, so I go to route webs, create route gets u 3 users and then page name is user. Let me check users. Okay, and I copy it. Is home no access no access. So let's test together. Home. Okay, this is home page. User, this is user page. No access. Okay, this is no access page. Okay, so now I create one middleware. Okay, so use command php artisan makes middleware. You put middleware name. In here I want to take the user age. If the user age under 16 or 18, and then you cannot access some page. Okay, so I just put the middleware names age check, enter it. Okay, you let change the middleware. You go to here, you can see here middleware and you can see age.check. Okay, don't forget after you create middleware, you need to register in kernel here. In the previous video, you already learned about how to import the global middlewares, and here for group middleware and here for row middleware. So in here, in this case, we learn about group middleware. So we need to import in this one, okay, middle groups. Okay, so I copy this, pass it, okay, I copy with this one, and you put here the middleware names each check. Okay, you import it in kernel already, and then we go to the middleware and we have some checking here, some condition. If refresh age and request age is smaller than 18, we return redirect to no access. So here is the route name, the route URLs. Okay, so after you have the condition in middleware, and then we go to route in order to create for for that middleware. So okay, let me check the kernel again, and I have to rename here. Okay, sorry, we need to rename here, like you just put the group middleware names. So and put the name like protect my page. Okay, protect my page. So you copy this, and then we go to route. Okay, we create route for that. So route group, then we put middleware, and then you put middleware names here. Okay, my page, protect my page. Okay, so here's function and then I put the route here. So let me test it. Okay, we go to home page, we go to user page. You know, it's no restriction. So let me put one route here. I just want to check here, put to the route. So it means that I check only user page for under 18 years old, and then it will rewrite to no access. You cannot access to user page. Okay, so let's save it and go to user. I pass the age. Okay, parameter age and then put 15 years old. Okay, you can see you cannot access this page because you manage, you apply only one route here, user routes. Okay, for let you can check with home age. Okay, you can access home, but if you want to apply for home, you just copy and paste in here and refresh it. Okay, you can see here, like again home age. Okay, just 8 years old cannot access, but if home 20s, okay, you can say access home page, and you can apply for many routes in here. Okay, so that's all for my explanation about group middleware, and the next video you will learn about route middleware. Okay, don't forget subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.